If you are looking to build business credit, you want to make sure that you are familiar with FairFigure. FairFigure is the new kid on the block when it comes to EIN only business credit. If you are looking to build business credit, definitely check out FairFigure. I've left a link below so you can get exclusive access to their special discounted program through FairFigure using my link at no additional fee to you guys. Now let's review a little bit of why you want to get with FairFigure. Now, not only are they cheaper than everyone else, and they're going to report as 2 primary business trade lines, but they are going to approve you based on what matters the most, and that's your business funding, not your personal credit score. They're also going to report to 𝒔𝒊𝒕, Equifax, and they are going to report to CreditSafe as a trade line for you. And as you know, 𝒔𝒊𝒕, their vendors are Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, Equifax, and LexisNexis. So eventually the data is all shared amongst those guys. Not like we can see our 𝒔𝒊𝒕 report, which is the Small Business Financial Exchange, but the data is getting circulated out there. So this is going to be reporting as an on-time payment. And guess what? There's so many other benefits that you are going to get just as a FairFigure member. You're going to get access to your business credit reports, and you're going to get access to some of their special products. As you can see, they have this special business credit corrector, which I find super helpful because you are able to fix your business credit errors quick, fast, and in a hurry. And that is included in their monthly plan, which is only $30, by the way. So it's half of what other people are charging. You're also going to get access to the FairFigure Capital Card. And that is a great card using your EIN only based on your business revenue. There is no personal credit required. There's not even a soft pull. So this is simply using your business's EIN only. And it says right here on their website as far as who they report to, just so we can verify it: Equifax, CreditSafe, and 𝒔𝒊𝒕. And they also have their own foundation that they report to. The platform is super secure, and they are like the new kids on the block. So a lot of us have heard of the divvies, the capital on taps, the other items, the NAVs, all that good stuff. FairFigure is just another additional trade line that we can use to add, because our goal with business trade lines is to have at least 5 to 10 business trade lines that are reporting paid as agreed, so lenders will feel more confident working with us. So if you are looking for business funding, the first thing that you want to do is visit the link below to access FairFigure and apply to them today, guys, because they are going to give you business funding. And this is not based on your personal credit. I've seen people get approved for $8,000, $10,000, $15,000. So it is a game changer. Use the link below to access, take action, and most importantly, make sure that you have subscribed and comment below what you've got approved for.